Welcome to Dundas Valley. We entered at the main entrance, which required a $10 entry fee for vehicles. If you come by bike or by foot, it's free, and if you come by horse, it's $15. We started off by taking the Sawmill Trail, which is the first trail you see coming out of the parking lot. We were just exploring the area.
We found Bambi.
The trail we took, there was two ways to go on it, and we ended up going the wrong way.
Because of someone.
And ended up getting further and further away from the waterfalls that we were trying to see. We just ended up at some road, and now we're going all the way back to see Bambi. We didn't see anyone on the trail, but it was definitely a nice one. It had a lot of deer, which we didn't see anywhere else in the park. Big mushroom. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. You're down here. My lady, may I have this dance?
Of course.
For the last 10 minutes, we've just been doing uphill after uphill. And then after one ends and it looks like it's about to end, there just comes another one.
I told you it wasn't it.
Once again, we went the wrong way.
Because of you.
We just took a pointless detour and we were going uphill for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Just going up and up, no stopping. Because we saw some people going this way and we thought it would have been this way. Number one rule, always follow the signs. At this point, we've walked a lot, took a lot of accidental detours, but we did end up seeing a deer because of one of those. But we're just tired, and we're heading up to some falls right now. I think they're called Canterbury Falls. We're heading up to those right now, so hopefully it's worth all the pain. Katya's hip hurts a lot, she's not even talking to me. Hopefully the falls are worth it.
That's just so scary.
One day, this career will lead me to a house like that.
There's some nice waterfalls over there.
A lot of long walking, hard work, but a very happy woman. Ready?
We are finally done this dreaded trail with
We
all
did.
the detours.
It took about 5 hours, maybe a bit more. A lot more hiking than we expected.
It was
A
worth
lot of
it.
it.
We saw deers. We saw two really nice waterfalls. But also be
We
safe.
saw a good amount of stuff, you know. It's mostly a hiking place, not gonna lie. Like, you have to walk a lot to get to see something, but the trails are pretty nice.
Yeah.
We just weren't expecting this. So we stopped at this one place called Dimens. She really wanted to go to a cute little shop. And we got 2 cookies. One of them salted caramel, the other PB and jam. I don't know which one's which, but let's just try it.
It's so good.
It's pretty good, pretty good. Would recommend. I'll show you how to find it. This is what it looks like.